The blackbird was a bird that taught me about territories in an environment, in some sort of biome. And when I was a kid, going back to the bluebell woods where I spent a lot of my time, you always knew when someone had come into the woods because the blackbird would make this alarm call. So you'd hide in the ferns, drop right down, and then you'd wait to see who was coming through. And then the blackbird would give a call, and the call would go to signal everybody else in the woods that it's all clear now. There was the wren lived on the back of the blackbird call, and then the nuthatch would also signal the higher frequency birds that lived and dwelled in the tops of the canopies and the trees. And you kind of started to learn a different language.